This motivational short story has gotten 6 million views in 1 year, and in today's video I'll be attempting to create a similar YouTube channel using 100% free AI tools to automate the entire creative process from script writing to visuals and voiceover. I found this idea while searching for channel automation ideas on YouTube, and after having found a channel that offers motivational short stories, I then started investigating the channel's daily and annual earnings. This will be displayed on the screen right now. So shortly after, I created a channel and started branding. We started by asking ChatGPT for 20 YouTube channel names. There were many options, but I settled on Motivation Now. I like this. For profile pictures, we used Lexica, an open source AI image generator. Now find your favorite photo. The banner was created using Canva's profile picture. Now that the branding is done, creating videos is the real challenge. First, you need to target a specific group of people. Personally, I would like to speak to those who are looking to stay motivated in 2023.
Yesterday, you said tomorrow, so just do it!
And I reached out to ChatGPT and said, I'm here to ask you to create a short story in thriller style. And once your story is completed, simply copy it and move on to the next step of creating your voice. We went to 11 Labs, a free tool that uses advanced AI technology to create real human-like voices. I posted the story I copied from ChatGPT, selected the voice I wanted, and clicked download. Once you've downloaded your audio, head over to canva.com and click video. Then upload your audio file and browse to the scene you want. Customize your video by choosing artwork. If you don't know how to access Canva for free, then comment below, I will guide you, or check out some of my other videos on how this is done. After selecting all scenes, click download. Okay, I hope this works, and please drop a like on the video if you are enjoying it so far. Now let's get back to the video. Look at these crazy results.
Once upon a time, there was a person coming to a new village, relocating, and he was wondering if he would like it there. So he went to a Zen master and asked, "Do you think I will like it in this village? Are the people nice?"
Get ready for the motivation conspiracy, unraveling the secrets to stay driven, to discover the hidden forces that keep us motivated, even in the face of uncertainty. The enigma begins. It all started with a mysterious package. Inside was an old manuscript that promised to reveal the truth about motivation.
Then you will need a thumbnail for this video, and for that you will need to use the Lexica AI again. Now generate an image and go to Canva to create a thumbnail. Click the YouTube thumbnail. You should upload your image from here. Here you can add text to make it stand out, so take your time creating your thumbnails. Just click share here and download the thumbnail. A title and description are required to upload the video, and for this we will use ChatGPT to generate a title and description, and boom, it's all done by AI. Go to your channel and click upload, paste the title and description, and upload the thumbnail and publish your video. Congratulations, your channel is ready. I hope you learned something from this video. If you like it, don't forget to click like and subscribe button.